All right, this is the electric hot pot, the portable 1.3 liter multi-cooker with a little cookware set in there. I just took it for a test spin. The company sent me this product so I could check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely, and inside the package, you are going to get the heavy-duty storage bag. Like a canvas with Velcro. It looks like it breaks down and flattens down all the way if you wanted to do that. Inside of there, the induction burner. Little slider here for low, medium, and high. On the back, there's a little silicone pad that covers up the 3-prong electric plug. You're going to get a 3-prong cable that is about 3 foot long. The non-stick pot, and this thing really is non-stick. You're going to get a Sierra cup, and these little handle things fold out like this. Pretty nice. You are going to get a Sierra bowl, and this flips up, and this slides down like this to lock it into place. Actually pretty nice. You're going to get a little mini cutting board, and you are going to get a steamer rack. Speaking of the steaming, there's a little vent right here if you're doing steaming. A spoon. This folds down. These things slide into place to lock it in. These actually works pretty decent. A fork. Same thing. And of course, you got a spoon and a fork, you're going to get a spork. Why not? And a set of instructions to let you know how everything works. Very easy to read. So the induction cooker, as you can see, it's super compact. It's about almost 6 inches this way, almost 6 inches this way, and about 3 inches tall. The pot, same thing, almost 6 inches, almost 6 inches, almost 3 inches, and it will hold, like I said, 1.3 liters. And one of the cool things I like as far as storage goes, this induction cooker fits right inside of the storage pot. Put that on there, handles snap over, right back in the bag, you're good to go. They say it runs at 550 watts. I actually, when I was running it through my power station, it was pulling about 660 watts, but it's still a low power draw, and that's going to work well off of things like vehicle inverters or portable power stations like I was using, or RV outlets. Should get you there without overloading anything. The power station that I was using has a 1024 watt hour battery, and pulling 660 watts like it was, I should get somewhere between an hour and 2 hours of continuous runtime, which is plenty of time for doing stuff like boiling water or cooking meals or heating things up if you're off grid. I cooked some scrambled eggs in here, and I was really super impressed at how fast this thing heated up. I just warmed it up for a second, threw 2 eggs in it, and it was almost ready to fry them. I had it on medium heat. If I had the room to work and the right tools, this would be awesome for cooking scrambled eggs or fried eggs even, or anything. Heating up chili. I haven't tried it yet, but they say the burner is compatible with other small induction-ready cookware like stainless steel pans with magnetic bottoms, or, magnetic bottom kettles, that kind of thing. And as I said before, and the pot has a non-stick coating on it, it was super easy to clean, and I'll show you that. When I cooked the scrambled eggs, I just basically ran the spoon around here, and I mean, it was just a matter of wiping it out when I was done. Highly impressed with that too. And when you're done, everything just kind of folds up and packs into place. And as I was saying before, the induction burner just nests right inside the pot and makes it easy to store away. One thing I wanted to mention too, I was able to grab this, and the heat wasn't too bad, but I didn't have a lot of room to work with. Maybe if I had an oven mitt or a pair of pot holders where I could just grab onto the side of this thing and do one thing with one hand and another with another hand. Do that in the future. But there you go. Kit like this would be great for camping, RV trips, car travel, van life. I think this would be great for a dorm room. Tag it up, store it away, or just to have a nice little compact cooking setup when you're on the go. Has an adjustable strap so you can throw it over your shoulder and take it wherever you want. Very nice.